Nicholas drove 12.675 miles in the morning and 8.75 miles in the afternoon. What is the total distance he drove that day? Well, if we're going to find total distance, we're going to take this number and add to that number. Now, it's very important to understand that when we add decimals, you make sure that when you set it up, you line up the decimals. So 12 and 675 thousandths is going to look like that. Now we have 8 and 75 hundredths. Make sure you put the decimal where it needs to be, and everything else goes in the proper place value. So 8 is in the ones place value underneath that 2. 7 is in the tenths place value underneath that 6. And 5 is in the hundredths place value underneath that 7. Now we're going to add these guys up. And if you're looking at this and saying, that number there kind of looks incomplete, you're right, it kind of does. You're allowed to attach a 0 at the end of a decimal and it will not change your value. So now we add this up like normal and we don't forget to drop down our decimal once we get to our decimal. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Write out your 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Write out your 4, carry the 1. Don't forget your decimal. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Write out your 1. Write out that 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And we end up with 21 and 425 thousandths. Now, this is a word problem, and it's asking about the distance, and distance is in miles. So our answer is going to be 21.425 miles.